How to use the Colour Warper tool in Davinci Resolve 18. The Colour Warper tool is in the colour page, and if you don't know where the colour page is, it is down here. You press on it and you are now on. So this is what the default colour page would look like. The Colour Warper tool would be right here. It's not really that hard to use. You just press on one of the dots and then you move it around and then it switches to that colour, and then to reset it you press it up here. But you could move little mini ones and it will change certain parts. So if I move this down to here and then delete it, you can see the difference that there is. And then when I delete it, it just looks more different. But there are other ones. There's a zoom in one as well where it's a lot more bigger, so you can use it how you want. And there's the reset button. There's also another version or another different way of using it. So you got the Colour Warper hue saturation, and then you have the Colour Warper chroma luma. I really hope I said that right. But look, if we do it here, it does the brightness and darkness. And then if you do it here, it affects the colour. And then there's the reset button here. But that could be quite cool, because usually on this one there isn't a brightness one, so it's quite useful to have a brightness one there. So there's the grid one, which is this one, and then a grid 2, which is this one. And if you are interested, I have a video here which is how to use curves customs in Davinci Resolve 18.